Welcome! In front of me I have FITBIT Versa 4 and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps or the wristband on this watch. To change the straps or the wristband on this watch, first you need to remove the old ones. To do it, grab your watch and flip it around. And at the back of the watch you will see next to the bands, next to the straps, you will see switches right here, or levers basically. And to unlock the strap, you need to grab this lever and pull it towards the strap. It will click and it means that it unlocked the strap. So let's do it again. Pull it, it will look like this. Then you can take out the strap like that. You can do the same for the second one. Pull it, it will click, it will move, basically open right here, and you can remove the strap like that. And that's how you remove the straps. Here we have our straps. Once you get new straps, you can simply put them in. It's quite easy. You just take a strap and you just slide it in and the button will click. And once you hear that click, it means that it locked the strap. Like that. Okay. And that's how you change the straps or the wristband on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.